Daddy.
In the pool.
I know, but
It don't burn.
Pretty eyes.
It's okay.
guess I'll just do that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's good that my head went under.
I know.
I'm learning to swim with this
I know.
swimming. Don't do it again.
Go
I'll
back.
wait till you're ready, okay? But when you're ready, let me know and I'll help you. But you can practice, going under and staying longer every time.
Yeah, can you do that?
Yeah,
Oh, hey.
I know it don't hurt. Mommy does it in the bathtub, remember? To show you.
Blow it up, blow it out. But I want to point it that way. Carly!
Don't point it over there. It might get on them.
that time, do it again.
Hold on, I gotta get some more.
I'll do it too.
Okay, here it comes.
Algae! Algae coming out.
Is it?
Yes, see?
Where's it? Oh, it's over there.
Algae's not coming anymore.
I know, but it's already out. This thing's messed up.
Mom, it floated all the way down to the bottom now.
Huh?
Floated all the way down to the bottom now.
Oh, is that okay?